In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Adobe Express. Whether you're emphasizing a headline, calling out a key phrase, or creating a polished style for your social post, underlining is quick to do and easy to customize. I'll walk you through the basics and share a few tips so your underline looks clean and intentional. Start by selecting the text you want to underline. Click into your project, then click the text box to activate it. If you want to underline only a specific word or phrase, double-click to edit the text and drag to highlight just that portion. You'll know it's selected when you see the cursor and the highlighted text area. Next, move to the text formatting toolbar. Depending on your layout, this typically appears at the top or on the right side when a text box is selected. Look for the standard text controls like font, weight, size, color, and alignment. If the formatting panel isn't visible, make sure your text box is selected so the toolbar appears. Now click the underline icon, usually shown as a capital U with a line beneath it. The underline applies instantly to your selected text, and you can toggle it on or off the same way. This built-in underline follows the rules of the typeface you're using, which helps maintain consistency and keeps your design tidy. Once the underline is on, take a moment to fine-tune the look by adjusting font size and spacing. Increasing the font size will also scale the underline, which can make it more visible for headlines. If the underline feels too close to the letters or too far away, try tweaking line spacing for multi-line text and letter spacing for a more open or condensed feel. Changing font weight can subtly affect the thickness of the underline, so choose a weight that balances clarity with style. Always zoom out to make sure the underline reads well at the size your audience will see. If you want a custom underline style, insert a line or shape under the text. Open your shapes or lines, add a simple line or a thin rectangle, and place it directly beneath your text. Adjust the stroke weight or the rectangle's height to set the thickness, change the color to match your brand, and align it precisely with the text edges for a crisp, professional finish. You can nudge it with arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement and keep a consistent gap between the text and the underline by eye or using guides. That's it. Select the text, open the formatting toolbar, click Underline, refine your size and spacing, or use a custom line or shape for full control. With these steps, your underlines will look clean, consistent, and ready to share.